Hi, my name is EZENWAYI Abii. I am the managing broker at Abii Realty. Today, we're going to talk about the seller's process. This is for you when you have decided that you're ready to sell your house, the process and the guidelines that we go through before we actually get to close. The first thing that we have to do once you've decided you want to sell your house and you have contacted us to help you with the process is to determine that the house is ready. The first step would require that one of our agents would come to your house, walk through the house with you, determine some changes or some updates that we might need to make to the house. Cleaning, painting, touch-ups, and if necessary, we might decide to do some staging as well. This may also be virtual staging if that's the path that we decide to go through. Once the house is ready for us to present to the market, the next step would require that we do what's called a comparative market analysis. At this point, we will pull some information from the market, property in your neighborhood, in the same city, maybe on the same block, to see what has happened over the past few weeks or months. This will help us determine a price that is right for your particular property. We'll look at property in your area, and that will help us determine a number that's right for your particular property. Once we have determined what changes to make to the property and what updates to make, including cleaning, painting, as I mentioned earlier, and we have determined a number that fits what you're looking for, it is important that we talk about the timeline, how urgent it is that you sell your house, or how important the numbers are to you. It is important that we're able to balance out your interests regarding the numbers and also the timing. Once we have made this decision and we have come up with a number that you're comfortable with, the next job is for us to list the property on the market and get to marketing. Now, when it's time to market your property, we'll implement different types of marketing to make sure your property is sold at the right price and at the right time. This will include social media marketing, agent-to-agent referral marketing, open houses, or any other marketing strategy that we decide to implement based on your property and the timing. Usually, with the effective marketing strategy, we expect to start having some offers roll in. Once the offers start rolling in, we'll sit with you, go through different offers, and discuss any special provisions that are included in the offers. We'll review the numbers, review what makes sense for you, and then we'll decide on what offer to accept. Once that is done, really we'll just sit back and wait for closing to be completed. To determine what offer makes the most sense for you, there are a few things that you might want to look at. As I mentioned, there might be some special provisions and language that would require you to do certain things, maybe make additional upgrades to the house. There might be a few things for you to consider, such as timing. Some buyers may want to close a little earlier, some others may want to close a little later. We might have cash offers that are a little lower than what we were asking, and we might have other offers that may be a little higher. We'll work with you to review offers and determine what makes the most sense for you, once again considering what your needs are and what your priorities are. Once an offer is accepted and you're comfortable with those numbers, we'll wait and work with the title company to review any financial information from the buyer's end and make sure that everything is covered, so when you do sign over your property, we have the funding and you are comfortable with the numbers that you've received. And that is the entire seller's process. If you have any questions or any concerns about trying to sell your property, feel free to contact us at abiirealty.com. Thanks.